Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make money counter effect in Davinci Resolve. Alright, so here we are in the edit tab. Let's drag a fusion composition to the timeline. Alright, let's go in the fusion, add a background, shift space, background, connect the background to media out, solid color to gradient, gradient type to radial, change this white color to gray. Okay, now let's add a grid. GRID grid. Alright, so let's decrease the major line spacing to 0, row cells to 8, column cells to 16, enter. And in the settings I will change the blend to 0.t. Alright, so this is the grid. So now let's add a text plus. Alright, so now right click here, go in the edit controls, change the name to money, type to number, page to text, check the integer, range from 0 to 10,000, and input control to slider control. Okay, so here we get the money slider. Alright, so you might be wondering why the numbers are not visible. So we have to do this one step more. Right click here, add the expression. So now delete this, add two columns, $, text1, dot money, enter. Okay, so we have got this text money counter. Alright, so now let's change the font to Montserrat black, increase the size. I think this is good. Change the color to yellow. Alright, so let's go in the shading, enable the red outline, change the color to somewhat dark gray, almost black, increase the thickness and enable black shadow, increase the softness little bit. Alright, so now let's create a keyframe, frame 0 keyframe, and go in the end, max out the money. This is the money counter effect in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.